te pousse à faire des mauvais choix. Je souffrirai sans te le dire, mais resterai ton grand ami, Felicia.
Sur les ondes de Radio Respiration, à la une de l'actualité mondiale. Aujourd'hui, nous allons en Haïti. La table de concertation de l'opposition Tim Martelly a annoncé lundi à Turjo la deuxième marche de la deuxième phase de l'opération Burkina Faso, prévue pour le 16 et le 18 décembre, afin d'exiger la démission du chef de l'État après celle de Laurent Lamotte, capitulé il y a 2 jours. Guillaume Machouaron qui tombait a déclaré Alzad Volsi, faisant allusion à la démission de Laurent Lamotte. Pour Alzad Volsi, la démission du chef du gouvernement est le résultat de la mobilisation du peuple haïtien. Pakistan, des talibans lourdement armés ont attaqué mardi une école gérée par l'armée dans la ville de Peshawar, près de la frontière afghane dans le nord-ouest du Pakistan, faisant au moins 126 morts, dont une centaine d'élèves, et 122 blessés, ont déclaré la police et un responsable du gouvernement provincial. Une majorité d'Américains, soit 51%, considèrent comme justifié d'utiliser la torture pour interroger des suspects, tandis que seulement 29% jugent injustifiées ces méthodes pratiquées par la CIA et dénoncées dans un récent rapport du Sénat, et 20% sont sans opinion selon un sondage publié lundi. Enfin, la 20e conférence des Nations Unies sur le changement climatique s'est soldée par un accord à minima dimanche 14 décembre à Lima, au terme d'une prolongation de près de 36 heures. Les tensions entre les pays en développement et les pays industrialisés ont miné les progrès espérés au début de la conférence. Elle envoie un mauvais signal pour l'accord de Paris que les 195 membres de la Convention vont préparer jusqu'en décembre 2015. C'est la fin de notre coup d'œil sur l'actualité mondiale. Vous êtes branchés sur les ondes de la radio Respiration. Dans un instant, nous allons rejoindre Fernand Legrand qui va répondre à la question « Qui est Jésus ?» Un moment d'adoration sur nos ondes. Je vais te louer, la voix de Tabitha Lemaire. Radio Respiration.
foi vient de ce qu'on entend. À l'écoute de votre foi, toutes les rubriques chrétiennes pour fortifier votre foi. Évangélisation.
I just wanna be like you, walk like, talk like, even think like you. The only one I could look to. You're teaching me to be just like you. Well, I just gotta be like, I just gotta be like you.
Dear Uncle Chris, Uncle Keith, Uncle Ricky, before the Lord get me, I gotta say something quickly. I grew up iffy since my daddy wasn't with me, shoe. I wasn't picky, I'll take any male figure. You stepped in at the right time. It's cause of you that I write rhymes. You probably never knew that. I love the way you used to come through, teach me to do the things that men do. And true, you showed me stuff I probably shouldn't have seen, but you had barely made it out the teens. Took me under your wings. I wanted hats, I wanted clothes just like you. Lean to the side when I roll just like you. And care if people didn't like you. You wanna bang, I wanna bang too. Skyline, Pyru. You would've died, I would've died too. You went to prison, got sick, lost your pops, yeah I cried too. You never know who's right behind you. I got a little son now, and he do whatever I do. But it's something deep inside you that tell you it's gotta be more than doing what other guys do. They had nobody there to guide you, but I followed your footsteps, and this shouldn't surprise you. You realize you, yeah, I just wanna be like you.
I just wanna be like you. Walk like, talk like, even think like you. The only one I could look to. You're teaching me to be just like you. Well, I just gotta be like, I just gotta be like you.
Now all I see is money, cars, jewels, stars, womanizers, tough guys, guns, knives, and scars. Drug pushers, thug strippers, fast girls, fast life. Everything I wanted and everything I could ask life. If this ain't living, then they lied. Well, guess I married an old wives' tale. Wow, fail. I don't know another way to go. This is the only way they ever showed. I got this emptiness inside that got me fighting for approval, cause I missed out on my daddy saying way to go. Ain't get that verbal affirmation. I know how to treat a woman, know how to fix an engine to keep the car running. So now I'm looking at the media and I'm following what they feed me. Rap stars, trap stars, whoever wants to lead me. Even though they lie, they still tell me that they love me. They say I'm good at bad things, at least they proud of me.
I just wanna be like you. Walk like, talk like, even think like you. The only one I could look to. You're teaching me to be just like you. Well, I just gotta be like, I just gotta be like you.
I was created by God, but I ain't wanna be like him, I wanna be him. The Jack Sparrow of my Caribbean. I remember the first created being, and how he shifted the blame on his dame for fruit he shouldn't have eaten. And now look at us all out of Eden, wearing designer fig leaves by Louis Vuitton, make believe it. But God sees through my foolish pride, and how I'm weak like Adam, another victim of Lucifer's lies. But then in steps Jesus. All men were created to lead, but we needed somebody to lead us, more than a teacher, but somebody to buy us back from the darkness. You can say he redeemed us, taught us that real leaders follow God, finish the work cause we on our job, taught us not to rhyme, but give life, love a wife like he loved the church, without seeing how many hearts we can break first. I wanna be like you in every way. So if I gotta die every day, unworthy sacrifice. But the least I can do is give the most of me. Cause being just like you is what I'm supposed to be. They say you came for the lame, I'm the lamest. I made a mess, but you say you'll erase it. I'll take it. They say you came for the lame, I'm the lamest. I broke my life, but you say you'll replace it. I'll take it.
Bonsoir, merci pour la parole de bienvenue.